Dexter the dog goes duh. Dexter the dog loves his bone. Before he goes inside for the day, he always puts his bone away. The only problem is he can't remember where he buried it yesterday. Dexter starts digging. Duh, 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 go his paws against the ground. Dexter keeps digging. Duh, duh, duh. And digging. Duh, duh, duh. Dexter is getting frustrated. Where did I put it? He wonders. He starts digging a little faster. Duh, 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 duh. Where is that bone? Finally, Dexter finds his bone with a little determination. Can you pretend to dig in the ground and go duh, duh, duh like Dexter? This is the letter D. When you see the letter D, it goes duh like Dexter.